Hello everyone, and welcome to my small and humble kitchen where I'm gonna be dyeing some eggs for Easter. Excuse the mess. Not that you can see how messy the rest of the kitchen is, but it's Easter time. My family's cooking loads and I am gonna cook loads of eggs because once a year I get to dye eggs and I try to do them naturally, but recently I've been also experimenting with chemically dyes and other thingies. Let me show you. So in this Lithuanian Russian shop I got like these dyes, interesting, and then these little films that go over them, which they're so cute. And I'm gonna obviously dye some eggs naturally, like with cabbage and onion. My parents already prepared this onion leaf broth thing for eggs. Yeah, so let me get all the ingredients and get started boiling things and stuff. So I hope you enjoy this Easter video. Got purple cabbage for purple. What else do I have here? Got beetroot for red. Got garlic. I got it for this casing. Got some herbs to use leaves to put on eggs. Turmeric. Yeah, so first I'm gonna slice out the cabbage. I'm gonna boil some water. I'm gonna start boiling these. It's already like turning blue. You can see the water. Continue chopping. Okay, now beetroot. So the cabbage and the beetroot is boiling. Got these things, which I think I'm gonna do after. And now I need to decorate the eggs. I got a pantyhose to put the eggs in and tie them in there. Gosh, look at these eggs. They're like green. So I basically wanted loads of eggs, and the only place that sells white eggs was Waitrose, but I wanted loads. So I went to a Russian Lithuanian shop and they had like these, so I bought so many. Just because I wanted to experiment. A little one. I really don't know how long I should be boiling these things for. Let's do some leafy. So basically I'm putting leaves on the eggs. So when I put them into dye, it will create interesting patterns. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. So yeah, I put some leaves, I put the pantyhose over it, so like the dye will go through but not through the leaves. I think I'm just gonna try pop this one in and just let's see what happens. This is after I ruined it last time with turmeric. Making it wet makes it easier to stick to the egg. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing, but I text or WhatsApp. You know what? Now I know why people have 8 burners, because I'm using 4 of them right now. Also, I'm gonna take some onion layers and I'm gonna wet them and put them over the egg because the onions dye the egg. So if I put it on there, it will like create some cool things. Okay, I think it's time for me to take out the purple one. Let's see if this dyed at all. Whoa, my goodness. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see it, this light is bright. Oh my gosh, look at it. Smash that poppin'. Please look at it. Wow, stunning. What did I tell you? Didn't I tell you? What did I tell you? Okay, so clearly boiling it in that works. Let me add this one into here, see what happens, to be honest. I think those ones are done, the ones in the onion. Amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm just out here like, let's see how one of these. So I took the thing that was the onion was in and I put it on the egg. Oh, this one is with the, oh my gosh, the one with the thyme. Oh, so pretty. Wow. Oh my gosh. I feel like the light is too bright. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Oh, are you kidding me right now? Look at it. I feel like this is the red one. Let's see how the red one turned out. Okay, the red one, so beautiful, but not too red. Somewhat red. Is it even red? Still cool. Still pretty. Wow. The red one, I think I will sieve and then leave overnight. It's not giving me the desired red sort of effect. Stunning, beautiful, gorgeous. All natural as well. And this is the one that's supposed to come out. This one. Oh my god, what is it? Why are you eating? What are you? Are you done? I don't know. Let's just open those ones. Oh, oh. Oh, it's like an orchid. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Wow. Oh, you're stunning. You decide, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my, look at that. I did this like cabbage and this one egg. Down. I'm a bit lost, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what eggs, what doing what? Like what are you? When did I put you in? What are you? Okay, yeah, that's, what are you? She's beauty and she's grace. She's Miss United States. Beautiful patterns. Look at it. Very pretty. Like an interesting color. I mean, I'm sure some of these are done. Like, what are you? How long have you been in there for? Beautiful. Look at it. Okay, I need another one of those. I'm making another one of those. I lost track of all the timings. I don't know what's going on. But you know what? It doesn't matter. Well, it kind of does, because I'm cooking. But oh well. You know. Okay, you look cute. Egg making, right? Like a porcelain little situation. Oh, stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know how, but I just cracked an egg. I think it was stuck and I couldn't get it in. Okay, so I have my 4 eggs, which I'm gonna do in turmeric. Yeah. Oh my god. That's so beautiful, honestly. Yeah. So pretty. I love it. Read the instructions for these now. Hello. Перламутрові з ківшінню дожей. Желігатоні рулоні оранжеві, віолетові. Oh my gosh, what? Okay. 2 foil pieces, really? Oh, 3. Okay, 3 is good enough. So basically what it's saying, you need to melt this dye in hot water. Then I basically put on gloves and like rub the dye onto the egg. And then take the foil and like rub it on. How do I do these things? It's so cute, it's so Russian. I'm pretty sure that you just put them on and then they like shrink onto it. Look at all these beauties, please. Oh, they even give like little stickers on these dyes. Pretty sure we used them before, like little tablets. Let me pick which ones of these I will be doing. So cute. I chose these ones for the flowery ones. From this one, I really like this one. I don't know what other one to pick. I can't believe I'm saying this. I should have bought more eggs. And I bought plenty, but I should have bought another packet. I bought like 3 packets of 10, that's 30 eggs. But I already like dyed so many, and now I'm just like, maybe I should have dyed less natural. And I did 4 in turmeric. I have 12 eggs right now. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 eggs, and I'm like, it's not enough. Okay, these are finished. Loop. Loop. Oh, wow. Why is this one like this? Oh, it's the pantyhose. Did it make everything unedible? Oh my gosh, what if everything was... It's the black from the pantyhose. It should have been see-through. Hence, it, like, this is supposed to be yellow. And even the dye is like black. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. It looks stunning. Dye your eggs natural way, but also unnatural way because pantyhose, like, what? Is it indigo dye? Oh, wait. Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, it looks beautiful. Because like last time they came out so yellow, so I was expecting like this to be super yellow. I'm doing a little test of the dyes. It looks clear, so that's good. I'm gonna do these little things first. Okay, so I took the eggs out. Most of them cracked. Well, 4 of them out of 5, so that's fun. I'm just meant to do this. Now, apparently it will shrink. Let's see if it will do that. Oh, it's already shrinking. Oh my god, it did. Look at that. Oh, stunning. I feel like these would be nice with brown eggs, so I just throw it in and it just is over it. So cool. At these beauties. Wow. Okay, so those need to cool. So cute. These freaking things. Now the eggs have 4 minutes left. I'm gonna these dyes into boiling water. Oh my god, it leaked. Okay, we're gorgeous. Is it too hot? Are you too hot? So now it's supposed to melt it. Okay, so it's leaking. Wonderful. So to put on gloves. I did it. Did it dye my skin? Yes. I'm meant to take color. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that stinks. Okay, the egg is still sticky, and then I take the foil, and it does nothing. Am I supposed to do it to the other side? Oh yeah. Okay. Sure. Alright, good enough. This color. And so this one. Oh, this is real pretty. Beautiful. Okay. lovely. These are really pretty. So pretty. Okay, so those eggs turn out super pretty. Ladder. Oh, they look so cute and Eastery. So it's literally 1 a.m. I'm just like tired and I'm forgetting things. And I wanted to do like half and half dips with the colors, but I forgot. So basically I boiled the beetroot and now I'm gonna pour the juices over it. So put them in there and I'm gonna leave them in the fridge overnight. Maybe I should do the same with the cabbage one. Oh my gosh, I'm stuttering, I'm tired, I'm over it. Okay, so let's see how the turmeric one turned out. See, I'm just confused. Why my previous turmeric turned like gray? Maybe because of the beetroot leaves. That could be a high possibility because look how cute that is. It's all yellow and cute. I'm gonna put these in the fridge overnight and see how they turn out. So let me show you what I achieved today. So these are all naturally dyed eggs. So stunning. I love them so much. These are the film ones. Oh, so cute. And they have little stands for them. These are the foil dyes. This is pastel dyes. So cute. And this is the turmeric one, which is so cute as well. Hope you enjoyed watching me make all these eggs, and I'll see you tomorrow for the 3 that I'm gonna cure overnight, and I will show you my Easter table. Okay, so it is day 2, and the table is set, which I'm gonna show you in a little bit. I'm having a bad skin day, so I just thought I'd cover my face with a white paint and do like a bunny makeup, but it's sort of like a creepy clown bunny makeup. Don't know if I like it. I'm gonna go take out the 3 eggs that have been curing in the fridge. So this is the one that was in cabbage dye. Super cute blue color. And these ones are the beetroot one. I don't know, they're interesting. This is how they look. These ones are rubbing off, so I do not advise beetroot, but the cabbage is perfect. So these are all naturally dyed eggs. They look so beautiful. And the super colorful ones are chemical dyes, and these are little films. And the Bordeaux ones are onion peel. The foil ones are so pretty, and these ones are so beautiful. And this is my Easter table. Yum.
Она остренький взяла.
О!
Это
Ай, ну бере. Дай. Šitai kalsi. Sau. Ten yra tie grybų. Alpinistai kokie ten.
Gražu.
Gražu? Daug. Va, mėlynis irgi.
Приятный чисто. Такі голосистые, токи большая тури.
It looks so creepy. Yeah, HEB. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my egg making adventures. I will leave any details in the description below. Subscribe, like, and yeah, stay tuned for more content.